Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act quickly. First, confirm there is an imminent threat like fire or moving danger. Then locate the closest emergency window or supplied hammer. Once done, make sure you inform the crew and people around you so they know what you plan to do. You should position yourself with both feet braced against a seat or wall, hold a cloth or jacket over your hand for protection, and sight the glass edge. This preparation prevents injury and speeds the next step. You will now break and clear the window. First, remove any plastic cover or safety tab, and if there's a hammer, grip it near the head for controlled force. Then strike a corner or outer edge of the glass with a short, decisive blow. Do not try to smash the center, because corners break more cleanly. Once the glass is fractured, use your cloth to push small shards outward, clear a safe gap, and make sure the opening is big enough to pass through without cutting yourself. You finish by guiding people through the gap, one at a time. Tell each person to go feet first and keep their hands tucked to avoid cuts. Once out, move everyone at least 10 meters away from the train and tracks, then check for injuries and call emergency services or the train operator. If the window will not break after reasonable attempts, do not waste time. Transition to an alternative exit like a door or vestibule, or await trained crew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.